playing out, in spite of the fact, like you said, there have been positive endorsements from, all kinds of bodies that make it a point of duty to observe and critique the moves that various countries are making to ensure they have stability in their economies. And your question basically is, well, that may seem positive, but how does that translate to getting the feeling that things are better? Now, I think it's important to say that investors, and let's face it, without investments, economies don't grow. Investors don't go to where there's instability. So I think that is the first thing to understand. On the journey, and this is a journey, investors don't go out to invest to lose money. They go out to invest because there's stability in an economy and they can plan. With that stability comes confidence. With confidence comes investment. And with investment comes growth and output. I think that's definitely the trajectory that you will find in all countries of the world. We obviously have been through a long period of instability. And I think that clearly what is being recognized is that the Nigerian economy is now stable and there's interest in those who want to invest to now invest. Clearly, the inflation numbers themselves speak for themselves, and we've discussed that here, I've mentioned that here, they speak for themselves. The overall trajectory is in the right direction. Not one particular aspect of managing the economy is a bullet that will solve all the problems. It isn't. It's a multiplicity of different endeavors. And that is why the combination of the efforts that are being made and are yielding results in terms of stability. And don't forget, the central bank is the custodian of stability in an economy. If you look at the exchange rate, for example, volatility has reduced from over 4% a year ago to less than half of 1% around now. So that's an indication of stability. And with the increasing collaboration between the fiscal and the monetary side, definitely the journey that we are going through will begin to yield greater results as time goes on. I have no doubt about that.